morning. So we're going to work on our profit equation. Okay. So the profit equation, so our essential question for this for profit equation. So this is section 2.7. So how can you use revenue and expense to calculate profit? Okay, so we're going to have our profit equation. So profit is the amount of money that the company brings in, so the amount of money that they make. So remember, amount of money that they bring in is the revenue. Amount of money that they make is the profit. Okay, so revenue is equal to, so profit is equal to the revenue minus the expense. So profit is the amount of money that they are making, that the company is making. It's the amount of money that the company is making. Okay, so again, everybody remember, so we had, if the company is losing money, their revenue is going to be less than their expenses, so that would be a loss. If the company is making more, okay, then they're going to be making a profit. Okay, maximum profit is going to be here. We have like the longest line. Okay, so maximum profit okay, so the vertical distance between the expense and revenue. Okay, remember expenses are a linear equation. Okay, so remember E is linear. Revenue is going to be our rainbow, our upside down parabola, as well as profit. Okay, I'm going to get to that. So between expense and revenue. Okay, so the vertical distance between the expense and the revenue, everybody, is the profit. Okay. So the maximum profit, and again, everybody, this is the longest line. It's not just gap, so I'm doing my best to draw these. Okay. Choking on water. Okay, so revenue is going to be equal to negative 900 times the price squared plus 20,000. And then we're going to have our expenses equal to negative 2,100 times the price plus 100,000. P. I forgot to put the P right there. Okay, so we're going to have revenue is equal to the expense. Okay, so I'm going to do, remember it's profit is equal to revenue minus the expense. Okay, so I'm going to substitute these in. So I'm going to go profit is equal to negative 900 P squared plus 20,000 times the profit minus our expense equation. So we substitute that all in. Okay, everybody, remember with this, what we have is, so remember we'll redistribute the negative, okay? So I can have x minus a plus b Remember, it has that invisible 1 in front of it. Okay, so I can go keep, change, and then I distribute the -1. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go plus, keep, change, -1, and I'm going to multiply all the terms inside by -1. So we get profit is equal to -900 p squared plus 20,000 plus negative times the negative is going to become positive, so that'll be 2,100 times the price minus, that's going to become negative 100,000. We need to combine like terms. So we need to add the P terms together. So we get profit is equal to -900 P squared plus 22,100 P minus 100,000. Okay, so when we're doing this, everybody, remember our quadratic equation, y is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c. Okay, so our a is the -900. Our b is the 22,100. That's our b value. And then -100,000 is our c. Okay, so we're going to use our, so we're going to find the vertex. So we're going to use our formula. So for vertex, and we can use this also to find the maximum revenue, is negative b over 2 times a. We have to do the parentheses. Y. Okay. So our x value is the maximum price. And our y value, when we're talking about price equations, is our maximum profit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute them in. So I substitute in, so I'm going to substitute in for b, negative 22,100 all over 2 times, using calculator, the negative sign, negative 90. Okay. So I got $12, 12.277. Okay, and remember everybody, 5 and up rounded up. So I look here, I'm going to round that up to $12.28. Okay, everybody, so that's going to be our maximum price. Now what I'm going to do is substitute this in. Okay, so remember everybody, this is our price value. This is our maximum price, which is also X, everybody. So I'm going to substitute it in back into our equation for P to solve for the maximum profit. Substitute all in. The profit's going to equal negative 900 times $12.28 squared plus 22,100 times $12.28 minus 100,000. Okay, so we're going to put that all in the calculator. Okay, so this is maximum profit. It's the same steps, everybody, if we needed to find maximum revenue. So I'm going to substitute it all in. So I'm going to get the profit. So I put that all in the calculator. Maximum profit I got was $35,669.44. Okay, that's the maximum profit. So if they ask for the coordinates of the vertex, it's $12.28. And then the maximum profit is $35,669.44. Okay, so this is the vertex at the maximum profit. Okay, everybody, you got this.